In this video, I'll demonstrate effective strategies for promoting Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest while ensuring compliance and maximizing conversions. These methods are widely used by successful affiliates, and I'll guide you through this process step by step for free. When you are on Pinterest, your feed displays various pins. To effectively utilize the platform for promotion, it's crucial to have a specific niche and angle rather than randomly posting products. Random posting won't yield conversions. My Pinterest account, currently named Aesthetic Car Inside Ideas, is just for video purposes, so it may benefit from a rebranding to better align with my chosen niche. While you have the flexibility to select any niche, I recommend you to focus on main areas such as health, fashion, or those targeting female demographics, as Pinterest has a significant user base of middle-aged women. This strategic approach enhances the likelihood of success in affiliate marketing on the platform. So in this video, I'll be guiding you through entering the skincare niche on Pinterest and promoting a specific product that I believe has a potential on the platform. So to begin, you'll need the product and head over to Amazon, where I'll be promoting a red light therapy pad. Mainly, red light therapy claims to improve your skin's appearance, such as reducing wrinkles, scars, redness, and acne. These machines have proven effectiveness and boast high conversion rates on Pinterest, specifically targeting middle-aged women. So it's currently priced on $189. This product offers a decent commission range of $4 to $10, making it an ideal option to promote to our Pinterest audience. So now the process isn't as straightforward as purely copying and pasting the link. We'll need to take one additional step, which is free. It might require about 10 to 15 minutes to set up, but it's crucial for ensuring your account doesn't get banned. Guys, quick interruption here. I just wanted to show you that I created the ultimate affiliate marketing guide for beginners, and this will help you to start this journey with affiliate marketing, especially on Pinterest. This is called Build a Business That Makes You $100 a Day. And this guide is completely free. It costs $0. Of course, you can add some tips because I created more than 5,000 words, 52 pages guide just for you. And this says what you learn inside, why this guide is a must, and who is this for. You can read this through, and it has 5-star rating, and people like this product. I'll leave it down in the description. Just click the link and you land in this page. Now let's go back to our video. So to begin, just head over to Pinterest. If you're choosing the skincare niche, the first step is to create or modify your Pinterest profile to reflect this focus. Edit your profile by changing the profile picture and renaming it to something related to skincare. We can use trends.pinterest.com to come in help. Just start typing skin and see what other keywords we get. First keyword is skincare, but take a look at the second one, skincare solutions. We can click on it and see that it is gaining quite a lot of attention in the past year and is still rising. It looks kind of promising to me, so I'll rename my profile to Skincare Solutions. Okay, now I just need to create a profile image and a banner that suits my niche. So I'm not gonna waste a lot of time in this tutorial, but in this video we are going to use Canva. Type in Pinterest banner and just search for templates that you can use. You typically get a bunch of templates. Just click on one, click on customize this template, and now you can fully customize it, change the text, change the font, change the images to fit your niche. So that's what I'm gonna do quickly. Just you see me changing the images, changing the name of my brand, I can say, of my Pinterest account. And if you're ready and you're happy with your template, just click on share and click on download. And this image and this banner will be downloaded to your computer. Next, we are going to Pinterest logo. Just type in Pinterest logo, and same thing here. You get a bunch of templates. Just click on one, click on customize with template, and just customize it to your needs. Okay, I'm happy with my logo, just downloading it. And once you downloaded all of your Pinterest logo and banner, just go back to your Pinterest account, click on the change, choose a photo, and just choose a logo you downloaded from Canva. So that's what I'm doing right now. Also, don't forget to create your about section. You can ask ChatGPT for help. Just open up ChatGPT and type in create a 100 symbols description for a Pinterest account in skincare solutions niche, including emojis and hashtags. Now I can just copy all of his text, go back to my account, and just paste it all in the about section over here. Last thing is not forgetting to click on save, and we are good to go. Now once your profile is prepared, the next step is to upload a pin. Navigate to the Pinterest logo and select create pin for ad, and proceed to create a pin. Importantly, the pin's graphics should resemble other skincare graphics, bold, attention grabbing, and distinct to stand out effectively. You can take a look at what others are posting on Pinterest in this niche and grab some inspiration from them. So once again, I'll head to Canva for the next step. Just type in Pinterest into the search bar. Canva is a free online photo editing tool, so you can easily access various templates. Once you've searched for Pinterest templates, you'll see a range of options available for customization. Okay, but what actually makes these pins effective? So they typically feature bright colors, bold fonts, and captivating images that immediately catch people's attentions. In your home feed, you can search for skincare solutions, take a look at what others are posting, and just get some inspiration. For example, this pin that has a huge bold letters, and just get some inspiration so you can know what is working and what is not working. Just scroll through the feed and see what your eye catches on. Now we need to select a template that we can customize to fit our needs. I'm considering this template as it has a background image and editable text that suits our purpose. Let's go with this template. Remember, you can modify any template to match your preferences. So here's my template. Let's begin by editing it. Firstly, let's change the photo. You can find royalty-free images on websites like Unsplash. Just search for skincare to find suitable pictures. Choose one that grabs attention, like this one. It's bright and eye-catching. Download it for free and use it royalty-free. Let's go back to Canva and the template. Now we'll navigate to uploads and upload the JPEG file we just downloaded. Once uploaded, we can drag the file onto the template. Here's our image. We might need to adjust it, so let's click on and adjust this image. Make sure it's centered. Make sure it fills out all the frame. And now I'm not sure what to write in this template actually. So let's return to Pinterest templates and analyze other people's Pinterest pins templates. For example, how to treat chin blackheads. This seems effective. We can take inspiration from it and perhaps check out reviews for potential quotes. However, for this video, let's stick to something similar to the existing template that's already working on Pinterest, like how to treat acne in 30 days. To ensure visual appeal, just aim for an eye-catching design. Make sure this text is bold and just eye-catching. Imagine yourself scrolling through a feed. Are you going to stop to this template, for example? Is this template is going to catch your eye and make you actually read this how to treat acne in 30 days or not? I'm not the best designer, but in this video I don't want to waste a lot of time on this. But if you're happy with your template, just download it, go back to your Pinterest account, and just click on this and just upload your template. So while in the past linking directly to a product worked, Pinterest is now banning accounts for doing so. It's best to avoid this approach, and instead I recommend creating a landing page. If you examine some pins in the weight loss niche, clicking on them often directs you to a website resembling an article about weight loss methods. We can adopt a similar strategy by creating a free website using Google Sites and incorporating our affiliate links within this site. So let's see how quickly we can set this up. Click on the blank and I'll title it How to Treat Acne in 30 Days. We'll make it bold, change the font to Arial, adjust the size and spacing as needed. Now let's head to Unsplash and choose an image to use. This one actually looks pretty good. Download it, then on Google Sites, click image and upload the image we've just downloaded. Our landing page is starting to come together. Now we need to write an article on how to treat acne in 30 days and include our affiliate link from Amazon for the product. Writing this article is not a problem. You can either do it yourself or use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI tool that can assist you in generating content. For instance, you can ask ChatGPT to write an article explaining how to treat acne in 30 days, focusing on using a red light therapy pad as one of the methods. This prompt will guide ChatGPT to provide an article on treating acne in 30 days, incorporating the use of a red light therapy pad. Now that the article is finished writing, we can copy it and let's head over to Google Sites. You can drag in some images if you want, but for now I'll just add a text box. It's essential to format this and make it visually appealing. You can highlight and bold the unnecessary parts. Here's the section mentioning the red light therapy pad for skincare solutions. All that's left to do is go to Amazon, copy your affiliate link, and then paste it into the article wherever it mentions red light therapy pad. Just go to Amazon.com, just go to your product. In my case, it's therapy pad, red light therapy pad, and just copy the affiliate link of this product. Go back to your article and highlight wherever it mentions the red light therapy. Click on this icon, insert link, and just paste your affiliate link over here. And now you just integrated your affiliate link into your article. The last thing that's left to do is just go over this text, correct any mistakes if there are any, and also incorporate your affiliate links throughout this article. Now, as we prepare to publish this article, we can provide it with the web address to make it easily accessible. Finding an unavailable domain in this niche might be challenging, but once you secure it, simply click on publish and your website will go live. To preview it, navigate to the top right corner and select View Published Site. Alright, now we have our How to Treat Acne in 30 Days article with the affiliate link set up to redirect to Amazon. Let's test it by clicking on the link, which should take us to Amazon.com through our affiliate link for the product. So perfect, everything seems to be in order. Now let's copy this Google Sites website and let's go back to our Pinterest account. Now in the title, you want to capture attention with something like How to Treat Acne in 30 Days or whatever your title is. Now for the description, we can go back to ChatGPT and just ask it to create one. Just copy the prompt and type in create 200 symbol description for a Pinterest pin about how to treat acne in 30 days. That's great. Just copy this description, go back to your Pinterest pin and paste it over here. Now in the destination link, just copy the Google Sites link and paste it over here. Then choose a board for it. If needed, create a new board like skincare solutions. And once you filled in all the details and added tags, just click on publish and your pin will go live. So when users click on your pin title, How to Treat Acne in 30 Days, it will direct them to your Google Sites page. This approach prevents you from getting banned for spamming affiliate links. Inside your Google Sites blog post, you've incorporated your affiliate links. When visitors click on it and make a purchase from Amazon, you'll earn a commission. So this will finish up this video. I hope you found value in this one. I tried my best to lead you through each step. Don't forget to check out the links in the description. I have a free guide for you. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I have some great videos coming soon. See you in the next one.